Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Cherry is a fruit that is often associated with good health. Because cherries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can have a favorable impact on your health. For example, cherries are a nice source of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune system function. They also contain anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage. Spending time in nature can be good for your health. And waterfalls are a marvelous way to enjoy the outdoors while getting some healthy benefits. Relaxing by a waterfall can help alleviate stress, anxiety and tension headaches. The sounds of the water can also help you sleep better at night. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, you may want to try listening to the sound of wild animals. Studies have proven that exposure to natural sounds can help people sleep better and enhance their overall health. One study found that listeners felt more relaxed after hearing the sound of nature. So if you're having trouble sleeping, consider giving the sound of wild animals a try. Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can actually develop some unhealthy compounds that can raise your risk of disease.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.